The difficulty with tax planning these days is that HMRC are looking to challenge people where they've done anything to avoid tax. Have they taken steps that deliberately avoid income tax or any other tax? So the whole landscape has changed in terms of being able to advise people, and it's important that we do give advice. Tax planning is still possible despite what HMRC may think, and it's still up to individuals and taxable persons to pay the right amount of tax, not the most amount of tax. And that's something that is something to keep at the top of your mind these days. So my advice to people is to think about your wealth and your affairs generally, and do what you can to save, to plan, to pass on your wealth, and to enhance it in the most effective way for you and your family and future generations. And that's where we can help people, because we can provide support in terms of looking at a person's total wealth position and taking them through a journey to see what it is they'd like to do and what makes them comfortable and how it best benefits their children and their grandchildren and so on. So that's one of the key focuses of my job at the moment, is to look at the people who want to look at inheritance tax and the other taxes to arrange their affairs in the most efficient way. So it's a process and a journey, as I've said, which starts to look at their overall position, where they are now and where they'd like to get to. And we can usually devise a plan that we can work towards, often that will take several years. Inheritance tax planning, for example, isn't something that you do all in one go. It's something that takes several years, if not many years, throughout the rest of a person's life to plan for. And that's where we love to get involved right at the outset, get involved with the whole family and make sure that the wealth proposition works for them. And we try to arrange things in the most efficient way for our clients and assist them with legal services, financial services, anything else that will assist as part of that overall process. So we take a bigger picture view, and we love working with clients and their families to give them the services that they require, and along the way we can help them with their tax compliance, doing their tax returns, helping them with capital gains tax matters, and any other items that they want us to assist with. And in particular, we deal with a lot of clients with properties, so we're looking again at the best arrangements for them, whether it's the new rules for landlords and the loss of wear and tear allowances and mortgage interest relief. What is it we can do to help them restructure their property portfolios to get them the best proposition for them that works?